Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you a laptop, a notebook, you can call it either way. It's the Pipo W13. It's a budget laptop with a very sleek, lightweight design, and I will talk to you about the specs and show you exactly what it is all about. When you buy it, you'll have obviously a box, and inside you'll have the cables, the power cables, and the power unit right here. So that will be included. Don't worry about it. I'll put it to my side right now. So this is a 13.3 inch HD display, IPS display, by the way. The computer, it's running Windows 10 Home Edition. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it comes in two models, in two options, with 64 gigs of storage or 32 gigabytes of storage. This right here that I have right now, it's a 64 gigabyte model, but don't worry, you can also, there's a micro SD port right here on the side, on this side of the computer. So if you want, you can use your micro SD cards and greatly expand the memory up to 128 gigs or 256 or whatever capacity you can find out there right now or in the future, of course. Speaking of ports, we have a USB 3 port right here on this side, and the power port as well for the connection cable for the electricity, obviously. On the other side, another USB 3 port, so that's good. We have two USB 3 ports, so we have that fast USB connection. Also an HDMI port here, and the 3.5 millimeter port for your headphones, some other stereo sound system or whatever can be applied to that sort of port. Also important to notice, inside this is a budget laptop, remember. So for the performance, we have a CPU, we have an Intel CPU. It's an Intel Apollo Lake N3450 quad core, clocking in at 2.2 gigahertz per core. So it's a very competent CPU right there, the processor for all your basic needs, everything you need to do. Also in the front, we have a 2 megapixel camera for your, well, you can also take selfies, but usually when it comes to computers, it's more for your video calls, use Skype and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's the Pipo W13. Check the links below this video for all the details, all the specs, the pricing, very good price. It's a budget notebook, laptop. So, you know, like and subscribe and find more from these at gearbest.com. Thank you very much for watching.